हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आइए इस वीडियो के माध्यम से एक्सरसाइज 4.4 में दिए गए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4, 5 को सिंप्लीफाई करना सीखें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 says that is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 square meter? If so, find its length and breadth. This situation will be possible only when the quadratic equations so formed will have either two equal real roots or two distinct real roots. If the value of the discriminant comes out to be negative, then we say that this situation is not possible. Let us form a quadratic equation for this given situation. There is a rectangular mango grove like this, where it is given that length is twice its breadth. If breadth be x, then length is 2x and the area is given 800 square meter. Let the breadth of the rectangular mango grove be x meter, then according to the question, length of the grove will be 2x meter. Now, length into breadth is known as area. Here length is 2x and breadth is x, area is 800. So, this gives 2x square is equal to 800 or x square is equal to 400. This is a quadratic equation like this, which can be factorized as x minus 20 and x plus 20 is equal to 0, and this gives x is equal to 20 and minus 20. This will be rejected as x is the breadth, which cannot be negative. So, this situation is possible as we have found the breadth as 20 meter and so length will be 40 meter. Before finding its solution, we have to find out here the value of discriminant to check whether this situation is possible or not. So, this is our quadratic equation. यहाँ पर आने के बाद आपको डी कैलकुलेट करना है और डी अगर 0 या 0 से बड़ा आता है तभी आगे उसे सॉल्व करना है। यहाँ पर बी की वैल्यू 0 है क्योंकि मिडिल टर्म जो कंटेनिंग एक्स होता है वो है नहीं यहाँ पर। देन -4 ए और सी इस तरीके से पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आती है, ग्रेटर देन 0 है, एंड दिस implies that situation is possible. सिचुएशन की पॉसिबिलिटी होने पर ही हम आगे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे और इस तरीके से किसी भी मेथड से सॉल्व करके उनकी वैल्यूज निकाल लेना है। thus breadth is equal to 20 meter and length is equal to 2 into 20 meter, that is 40 meter. The next situation is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The question is, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. This is the sum of the ages of two friends. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Let present age of first friend be x years, then present age of second friend will be 20 minus x, because the sum of their present ages is given 20 years. Now, 4 years ago, the age of first friend, प्रेजेंट एज अभी x है तो 4 साल के पहले उसकी एज x माइनस 4 मीन्स 4 ईयर्स कम रही होगी, और इसी तरीके से सेकेंड फ्रेंड की जो एज होगी वो 20 माइनस x प्रेजेंट एज है, इसमें से भी माइनस 4 ईयर्स कम करना है, दैट इज 16 माइनस x ईयर्स. According to the question, the product of their ages 4 years ago is 48. 4 years ago की जो एजेज हैं, फर्स्ट फ्रेंड की x माइनस 4 है, सेकेंड फ्रेंड की 16 माइनस x है, इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो 48 दिया हुआ है. यह एक हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन देगा और फिर उससे हम उसके डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. इसे आप माइनस साइन से इंटू करके हेयर d which is given by b square minus 4ac, the value of b is minus 20, 4 and a is 1 and c is this. Minus 20 into minus 20 gives this, and this gives 4 to the 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, that is negative 48 less than 0, and therefore situation is not possible. The given situation is not possible as it will have no real roots. The next situation is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 square meter? If so, find its length and breadth. Perimeter of the rectangular park is 80 meter, that is 2 L plus B is given 80 meter, or L plus B is given 80 by 2, that is 40 meter. Now, if we suppose breadth as x, then length of the park will be 40 minus x, as the sum of the length and breadth is 40 meter, which is written here. Now, the area is given 400 square meter, that is length into breadth. is given 400 square meter. Length is 40 minus x and breadth is x. 40x minus x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Writing it in standard form. Multiplying the entire equation by minus sign to get the first term as positive. This takes the form this. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 40, a is 1 and c is 400. This gives 0. So, situation is possible in this case. Now, solving the given quadratic equation x square minus 40x plus 400 by the method of splitting the middle term, we get 400 can be expressed as 40 into 40. So, this can be split as minus 20x minus 20x. Taking x common, so we get x minus 20 common, x minus 20. Further, x minus 20 is common. Actually, this is x minus 20 whole square. So, this gives x is equal to 20 and 20. Thus, breadth of the park, which has been assumed as x, comes out to be 20 meter, and length of the park is 40 minus breadth, that is 20. So, this is also 20 meter. Clearly, these two dimensions gives the area of the park as 400 square meter. So, our answer is correct. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. आशा करता हूँ कि ये तीनों ही प्रॉब्लम आपको समझ में आए होंगी. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.